Greetings to everyone. So today we are going to start with water pollution. So this is another type of pollution. Uh, we all know that without water, any human being cannot exist, right? Any living being cannot exist without water. So if water is getting polluted, that means we are having many ill effects of that water pollution, right? So first of all, what is water pollution? So water pollution occurs when energy and other materials are released into the water, contaminating the quality of it for other uses. Okay? So the different types of water pollutions are surface water pollution and then groundwater pollution. So surface water pollution, it is found on the exterior of the earth's crust, oceans, rivers and lakes. Groundwater pollution found in soil or under rock structure, or it is found in aquifers. Okay, so different types, that is microbiological pollution. We have oxygen depletion pollution. Microbiological pollution involves microorganisms that thrives on water and fishes that cause illness to the land animals and humans because we eat fishes, right? So oxygen depletion pollution is caused by microorganisms in water and which feeds on biodegradable substances. Then, what are the different causes of water pollution? So the different causes are, first one is marine dumping. So whatever is there, waste, we dump it in water. So all of us know about Ganges River, right? So River Ganga. Then in our city we have uh, we can take the example of what is that, Hussain Sagar Lake, and then we have this what is that near Lumbini Park, right? So all that is getting what polluted, right? Because we are dumping all the waste into the water. Then industrial waste, all the industrial waste is also dumped in water. Then sewage, mainly from households. So sewage water is also a big problem. Right? So then we have this nuclear waste, then oil pollution, then underground storage leaks. Okay, so all these are the different causes of water pollution. Okay, so nuclear waste, then oil pollution, then underground storage leakages also cause water pollution. Then what are the effects on the environment? So toxic water. So if the water is toxic in nature, no one goes to have that water. Right? So we, as the board indicates, you can see there no swimming. So you cannot swim also in that type of water. Then thermal heating. So when water is polluted, it becomes very hot. Right? Then other sources of water. So we have to depend on the other sources of water. Right? Then effects on human beings. So you can see what is happening. So drinking contaminated water, then swimming in polluted water, then contact with chemically polluted water. So all these cause diseases on human beings. Okay. Then on animals also, so animals are also not left out. Okay. So we have this 200 turtles in Australia surround waters die each year because of this water pollution. Right? Then birds and mammals become coated with oil, okay, because of this oil pollution in water. And then what we can do? So we can turn off the running water. So all have a habit of turning on water taps, right? And then the leaking of water taps. Okay. Then while brushing, we start the tap once, and then after brushing, we close it. So in the meanwhile, water is going off. Okay. It is running water. So turn off the running water. Be cautious of what you pour in your sink or flush down during your toilet. Okay? So do not flush list. So that is cigarettes, condoms, cotton swabs, whatever is there. We should not drain this and keep our environment clean. Okay? Then fertilize correctly. So even agricultural land also gets polluted if we use water which is not that is fertilizers. They get dissolved in the water, right? So we shouldn't use those fertilizers, okay? Or we have to use it carefully, right? In order to avoid the water pollution. Then participate in a cleanup program. So in our college, we generally do these cleanup programs, right? So last year we have done a cleanup program with our CEO sir, that is NG Shekhan sir, and he made us, that is, even he too participated in cleaning up the college by removing all the plastic waste from the college. Right? So we can participate in programs like that. So even I participated in it, right? Okay. Then join a society, special society devoted to the prevention of water pollution. Okay, so we are going to join a society where it is devoted to prevent water pollution. Then spread awareness of it. So there are a lot of examples we can see, that is even in TVs they show the spread awareness through that, right? So you can join a camp like that, or you can go and go in your street, and then you can tell them how water is very much useful to the living beings, right? So this is about the water pollution. Now we'll go for another pollution, that is soil pollution, noise pollution. So noise pollution, sound is different from noise, right? So sound is a vibration that propagates as a mechanical wave, right? So sound refers to only those vibrations with frequencies that are within the range of human beings. So noise is basically any unwanted sound, right? It is measured in decibel units. And you can see figures, that is variable noise, continuous noise, and impulse noise. Then it refers to a type of energy pollution in which distracting, irritating, or damaging sounds are freely audible. Okay, so they are audible to us. Then these main sources are household sources, social events, commercial and industrial activities, and then transportation. Then you know that food mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, air conditioner, all these give some noise, right? Then social events like places of worship, discos, parties, pubs, etc. All these make noise pollution. Then we have commercial and industrial activities, that is printing presses, manufacturing industries, construction sites, right? Then construction noise, that is bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks. Everything makes noise. So even industries, that is fans, motors, compressors, generators, right? Then transportation, road traffic, aircraft, noise from railroads, all these. So causes of noise pollution are poor urban planning, sound from motor vehicles, musical instruments, car alarms, etc. Okay? Then effects of noise pollution are effects on human beings, animals, environment. Okay? So we have hearing impairment, then interference with spoken communications, decrease in efficiency, lack of concentration, fatigue, cardiovascular problems, right? Disturbance in mental health. All these problems are caused because of noise pollution. Then the diseases are, a list of diseases are given here. So high blood pressure, heart attack, cancer, asthma, deafness, right? Then effect on animals is also there. That is also the same as on human beings. Then on environment, it is breakage of earth barrier, poor quality of crops, then damages buildings, bridges, monuments. We can see edifice of buildings, right? So control is at source in the transmission path and using protected equipment. So we have to control it at the source itself. Then in the transmission path at least, like installation of panels, enclosures, green belt development, right, and using protection equipment, right, hearing protection, exposure reduction, then protection at the receiver. Okay? Then sound insulation, sound absorption, vibration damping, vibration isolation, etc. So all these are noise control techniques. So this is about water pollution and noise pollution. Thank you.